Hey, welcome aboard. Join us for this quick but fun approach into Pueblo, Colorado. The winds are gusty, there's wind shear warnings around. The weather's beautiful other than that, and the winds just make it nice and entertaining and a fun approach. On the plus side, Freeman Jet Center, which used to be Flower, was a great place. They're really friendly, and if you buy enough fuel, you get a couple free steaks or a bottle of wine if that's your thing. As always, we back up the approach with the best navigation source we have available, and today it's going to be the ILS 260 left. 1083 is set in both nav radios, 260 inbound, misapproach if we need it, straight ahead up to 7,000 out to Oki, and hold. Grab a seat, buckle up, and enjoy the bumpy ride down final. Visual 26 left. Six left, clear land, right, consider 3 green, red's out, the draw's out, there's 3 flaps. Speed checks. Straight complete, landing gear 3 green, land lights are on, and emissions are on, flaps 3 orders, speed are on, let's go, let's go. Rest, and so the brakes on the track. Green flaps through. Katana is, but I've heard of it, but I've never seen it.
547 347 290 at 26 gets 35, runway 26 left, clear to land. 547 clear land, runway 26 left. Tiger 53 traffic citation, 5 mile per hour, runway 26 left, venture 1 to 2 o'clock and 3 to 4 miles. Station 5 Kilo Sierra, traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, Katana 6,000, we'll be overflying the fill at 6,000.
5 Q search.
342, Wisconsin TV antenna, 10 o'clock, 2 to 3 miles, 6,306 feet. Record. 53 Pueblo Tower, yeah. Correct, for 53, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, 2 miles, citation descending through 6,000. Tiger 53, traffic in sight. Tiger 53, Roger. Station 5 Kilo Sierra, the traffic is 10 o'clock, 2 miles north of Katana has you in sight.
5 Q search. So there he is. See him shining, yeah. But the one in front of us,
I think it's the same thing.
well, there's one in front of us that's over the runway right now too. Yeah, I think I see. I think I see him over the black. I got that one. 3 green flaps landing, and I'll fight y'all damn way. Yeah, he's going in between the 1,000-foot markers right now. And that one's.
Tiger 47, turn left out, center open enter. Tiger 47 left up. Tiger 47, try ground. Tiger 47.
Still on center line. Oh, it's one of those. 93. He's clearing the runway. Runway's yours.
53, initial runway 26 left. Tiger 53, wind 290 at 28 gust 35. Correction, Tiger 53, roger. Tiger 53.
Flaps landing, it's all
Tiger
yours.
53, request late break, early base, long landing. Tiger 53, cruise requested. Tiger 53, thanks. Short ground, use caution, legs, unreported gain or loss of 10 knots on short final. Wind shear advisories are in effect.
Six lights, speed brake 60. 70 or 80. Airspeed 60 knots. That was weird.
Station 5, do a turn left at Alpha 8, and did you experience any wind shear?
Alpha 8 will roll it down, and yeah, a little bit of gain, a little bit of bumps. 5 kill circuit.
5 kilo 0 battery.
Thanks for flying along. Hope you enjoyed this short, bumpy approach. If you feel like it, do all the things, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next flight. Don't forget, free steaks at Freeman Jet Center. Fly safe.
Tiger 60 reported initial runway 26 left.